my dear Armory friends. It's been a long time since I've been able to chat with you. I hope you're all doing well and staying inside and healthy and doing all good things that will help you to be big and strong. Today, I have some exciting news for you. I have just learned, for you Dogman fans, that on September 1st, Dave Pilkey is publishing another Dogman. It's called Dogman, Grime and Punishment. And if that weren't exciting enough, another exciting book is coming on December 1st, written by Dave Pilkey, who wrote Captain Underpants and all the Dogman books. It's called Cat Kid. So those are two books we can all look forward to. Today, I am so pleased to introduce to you a new reader whom we haven't heard from before. Her name is Miss Tobasco, and she is a student at Mount St. Mary College in Newburgh. She's studying to become an even better teacher than she already is. So here she is, Miss Tobasco.
Hello everybody! So today I'm going to be reading the book Judy Moody Was in a Mood. Now I chose this book because in the story, Judy is actually really upset about having to go back to school. And I think because of this quarantine, we are all feeling the opposite right now. I know, I definitely wish I could go back to school. So I'm going to be reading Chapter 1 of Judy Moody Was in a Mood by Megan MacDonald and illustrated by Peter H. Reynolds. So Chapter 1 is a bad mood. Judy Moody did not want to give up summer. She did not feel like brushing her hair every day. She did not feel like memorizing spelling words, and she did not want to sit next to Frank Pearl, who ate paste in class. Judy Moody was in a mood. Not a good mood, a bad mood, a mad-face mood. Even the smell of her new grouchy pencils could not get her out of bed. "First day of school," sang her mother. "Shake a leg and get dressed." Judy Moody slunk down under the covers and put a pillow over her head. "Judy, did you hear me?" "Roar!" said Judy. She would have to get used to a new desk and a new classroom. Her new desk would not have an armadillo sticker with her name on it like her old one last year. Her new classroom would not have a porcupine named Roger. And with her luck, she'd get stuck sitting in the first row where Mr. Todd could see every time she tried to pass a note to her best friend, Rocky. Mom poked her head inside Judy's room again. "And think about brushing that hair, okay?" One of the worst things about the first day of school was that everybody came back from summer wearing new t-shirts that said Disney World or Sea World or Jamestown, home of Pocahontas. Judy searched her top drawer and her bottom drawer and even her underwear drawer. She could not find one shirt with words. She wore her tiger-striped pajama pants on the bottom and a plain old, no-words t-shirt on top. "She's wearing pajamas," said her brother, Stink, when she came downstairs. "You can't wear pajamas to school." Stink thought he knew everything now that he was starting second grade. Judy glared at him with one of her famous troll eyes stare. "Judy can change after breakfast," Mom said. "I made sunny-side-up eggs for the first day of school," said Dad. "They're squishy bread for dipping." There was nothing sunny about Judy's egg. The yellow middle was broken. Judy slid her wobbly egg into the napkin on her lap and fed it to Mouse, their cat, under the table. "Summer is over, and I didn't even go anywhere," said Judy. "You went to Grandma Lou's," said Mom. "But that was right here in boring old Virginia. And I didn't get to eat hot dogs and ride a roller coaster or see a whale," said Judy. "You rode a bumper car," said Mom. "Baby cars, at the mall," Judy said. "You went fishing and ate shark," said Dad. "She ate shark?" asked Stink. "I ate shark?" asked Judy. Yes, said Dad. Remember the fish we bought at the market when we couldn't catch any? I ate sharks, said Judy Moody. Judy Moody ran back to her room and peeled off her shirt. She took out a fat marker and drew a big-mouthed shark with lots of teeth. I ate a shark, she wrote in all capitals. Judy ran out the door to the bus. She didn't wait for Stink. She didn't wait for kisses from Dad or hugs from Mom. She was in a hurry to show Rocky her new t-shirt with words. She almost forgot her bad mood until she saw Rocky practicing card tricks at the bus stop. He was wearing a giant-sized blue and white t-shirt with fancy letters and a picture of the Loch Ness Monster roller coaster. Like my new t-shirt, he asked. I got it at Busch Gardens. No, said Judy Moody, even though she secretly liked the shirt. I like your shark, said Rocky. When Judy didn't say anything back, he asked, Are you in a bad mood or something? Or something, said Judy Moody. So that is actually the end of chapter 1. I hope you guys liked the story, and I hope you keep reading it. A little activity that you could do is after you listen to this chapter, you can try and write the next chapter by yourself. What do you think Judy Moody will do? What will happen when she goes to school? And once you write the next chapter, you can read it and see how close you were to guessing what happens. I hope you enjoyed the book, and I hope you read more, and I hope you're enjoying your break. Bye!